Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie, and for today's video I thought we could do more of a playful makeup look. I was thinking something green, kind of like Chipotle inspired, so if you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to hydrate my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, the one I used in my first video. While that's sitting, I'm actually going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm going to do more of a colorful look today, so I want to go ahead and do my eyes first. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in Hot Jalapeno. I don't know if you can really see the greens. And I'm actually going to be taking the lighter green, this one right here, this light matte, and go ahead and just put it in my crease. Okay, next I'm actually going to take this darker shade of green right here, and I'm going to go ahead and deepen my crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back into that green, the lighter green, and then just go ahead and bring more of that color out. Okay, now I'm going to take a flat concealer brush, and I'm actually going to cut my crease. Back into that darker shade, and I'm going to just pretty much make an eyeliner out of it. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in yellow. And I'm actually going to just put it in my crease. See the eyeliner, I just outlined where I cut the crease with the concealer. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but trust me, as we finish the makeup look, it's gonna come together, I swear. I'm gonna take my NYX white eyeliner and white, that's it, it just looks like this. And I'm actually going to go ahead and trace the bottom part of my eyelid where I cut the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take this lime green shimmer shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that in the center. Okay guys, next I'm going to actually take a Q-tip and some makeup remover and clean the bottom up with the excess eyeshadow and stuff. I don't use makeup wipes because I have very sensitive skin. Okay, next I'm going to take this little brush right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that yellow golden shade in the corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back when I have some lashes on as well. Okay, this is the completed eye look. I know it looks kind of crazy, but let's go ahead and finish our face makeup. So I'm actually going to go ahead and prime my face with the e.l.f. Mint Cooling Primer. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and start mixing my foundations and then applying it with my flat foundation brush. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my little sponge. So I started contouring with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Tan Walnut, and I'm actually going to be blending it out with a foundation brush. Okay, next I'm going to conceal. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Beige and Fair Warm. Okay, next I'm going to set my face with my Beauty Bakery setting powder. I am going a little more heavy-handed with my powder, just because I want my makeup to really last a lot longer today. going to take my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I'm going to start contouring. Okay, I'm going to take my fluffy brush and go ahead and wipe off the excess powder under my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the Milani, the Rose Coral Cove Powder Blush. Looks just like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my cheeks before I add my highlight. For highlight, I'm actually going to be mixing two. I'm going to be mixing my Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. It's going to be this one. And I'm going to be mixing it with my I Love Revolution's Rose Gold Glow palette with this little gold one right here. I'm going to go ahead and dip back into my little eyeshadow palette and go ahead and do my under eyes. I'm going to use the darker green and I'm going to blend it out with the lighter green. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my fluffy crease brush and go ahead and blend that out. Using this lime green gel liner in my bottom lash line. I got this just at my local beauty supply store. I went ahead and finished my lips off camera. I used my Milani matte satin lipstick in Lavish, and I put a satin lip gloss on top, and in shade I Explore by L'Oreal. It's like a really cute brown. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this look. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!